Okay, we're here. My brother-in-law and I, visitor from Minnesota. We're out here at the After Bay. Trying to see. It's a little bit windy today, but we're gonna see if there's any bass floating around in here. Sean and Jordan are at Lime Saddle at the moment. Got fish on over there. Oh my gosh, that is huge fish. That's pretty good size. See ya. Yeah, that's a good catch, man. This guy right here, purple, dark purple, and then light on the bottom. My first cast, got, and didn't even hit the water, and bass just came out and popped it right there and then. Unfortunately, I only caught like a little section of it because I accidentally turned off the camera. Look at this guy right here, freaking huge, like almost the size of my hand, just the head. But unfortunately, this guy, something happened. Looks like got a frog stuck in his mouth, and it'll probably die. But dang, poor guy. I'm gonna go try somewhere else. Okay, got to this part right here. Hopefully there's some fish underneath there. Looks promising. We'll see. Okay, now we left the After Bay and we are here in Lake Oroville at Lime Saddles. We're gonna go try over here. We only caught 2 earlier. That was fun. Now we're gonna keep trying our luck in different places. Then we hit a couple areas before we go back home tonight. Such a beautiful day. Wow, yeah, that's pretty big, dude. Hey, good size, dude. Not bad.
Yeah, probably about 2.5 pounds.
Yeah. Dang.
Look at this. Little Pete Yang caught another one.
On fire! On fire!
Big is that? The same size as the one you caught last time?
I think so. Little 12 incher?
12 inches?
Yep.
Probably could be a keeper, you go measure it.
Yeah. Oh, right on the nose, man. Let's go, Jordan.
Man, trying. Alright, guys. Can't record too long because I'm fishing too. Here, man, Pete Yang caught another one.
What's up, dog? Oh, shit.
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Oh.
What do it spit out a swim bait right there? I mean, you see that white thing? That's a little fish, dude.
Where?
It spit it out.
Oh, it spit out a little fish?
Yeah. Oh, shit. It's kind of small, though, but...
Yeah, pretty small, but it's like the fish is like, fuck, man, you messed up my eating. You made me lose my food.
No, 11 incher. Don't take it.
Dang.
Ooh,
Right there, bro.
Ooh,
Pete Yang. Thought he got stuck and came over here and his drag started running. See, oh, right there. That's a bass. What the fuck is that, a bass?
Yeah, the bass, dog.
Dang, look at that. Fought pretty strong. I thought it was a big one, but
Oh, come here. Yeah.
yeah, look at that.
What's up, Jordan Yang? Where you at?
Soon, man. Woo.
Looks like it's good, but there's some tree line over there. Try it too.
Got him right there. I wasn't paying attention.
Good though.
There we go.
Okay. There are bass in here.
Then fish go.
Catch and release, man. All day. See you later, buddy. Oh, shit.
It's gone. Been out here all day. Caught 3 or 4 so far. But other than that, nothing much. It's that day for us. But oh, I caught nothing. But Pete Yang caught 3.
6, huh?
6. Man, don't try make yourself happy. All right, that's it, guys.